Sorry.
You good? You have the tight squeeze on the leg. Back on the line.
That's right. Don't lose your skills.
I could do it.
Oh, okay.
Push down your phone and the one that doesn't go in your pocket.
It's not going in my pocket.
It has to go in your pocket.
Okay.
Have you really missed it?
Yeah, it's my second time.
Literally my second time today, right?
Your second time?
Yeah, literally today.
What about, did you go on the log ride over there? Atlantis?
No.
Oh, that's a good one to record, dude.
I'm going on that tomorrow.
Oh, nice.
That won't get you wet.
Yeah, bring a poncho. or umbrella or something.
Well, it's just my shoes.
Yeah. You got water shoes?
Yeah, I do at home.
I could do it.
You can hear the music from over here.
Yeah.
Oh, there goes the electric eel. On camera.
You went on that one?
No, I'm not getting it on camera. Oh, I'm definitely getting it on camera.
You're gonna put it on YouTube?
Yeah.
Excited?
Yeah. And my camera is recording.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm definitely recording. The sunset here. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Still recording. Imagine if it just breaks right here. Oh, okay. Oh, shit! Oh! Where's that? I got that on camera. Okay. You do know I'm recording, right?
Yeah.
And my pants probably heard that.
Yeah, we're gonna tell them. Alright, let's go somewhere else. Everyone's over here just riding over. I want to try the bar. It was like, oh yeah, yeah. I'll just see. ¿Tantas horas así?